Hey, Bob, what are you doing?
Nothing much, Jesse. Just sitting and thinking about homework. What about you?
Same here. I was trying to study grammar, but I got stuck again.
What topic?
Active and passive voice. I seriously do not understand it properly.
That is actually a very important topic. Do you want me to explain it, Jesse?
Yes, Bob, please. But explain it slowly. I get confused very easily.
Do not worry. I will explain everything step by step, and we will practice a lot.
Okay, that sounds good.
First, let us start very simple. Active voice means the subject does the action.
Okay. Simple sentence.
The boy eats an apple.
The boy is doing the action.
Yes, the boy is the subject, and he is eating, so it is active voice.
So active voice is easy.
Yes, active voice is usually easier and more direct.
Then what is passive voice?
Passive voice is when the subject receives the action.
That sounds confusing again.
Let us take the same sentence. The boy eats an apple.
Okay.
Now change it. An apple is eaten by the boy.
Oh, now apple is the subject.
Yes, and the apple is receiving the action.
So passive voice focuses on the object.
Exactly.
Why do we even use passive voice?
Good question. Sometimes we do not know who did the action. Sometimes it is not important. Sometimes we want to focus on the result.
Can you give examples?
The window was broken.
We do not know who broke it.
Yes. Another example. The work has been completed.
We care about the work, not the person.
Correct.
Okay, now teach me how to change active into passive.
Step 1. Find subject, verb, object.
Okay.
Step 2. Make the object the new subject.
Yes.
Step 3. Change the verb into past participle.
Okay.
Step 4. Add helping verb.
And the subject?
It becomes the object with by.
Got it.
Let us do an example.
Yes.
The girl writes a letter.
Subject, girl, verb, writes, object, letter.
Good. Now change it.
A letter is written by the girl.
Perfect.
I think I understand.
Let us not stop. Practice more.
Yes, I need that.
The teacher teaches the students.
The students are taught by the teacher.
Very good. He opens the door.
The door is opened by him.
Correct. They play football.
Football is played by them.
Good.
This is getting easier.
Now let us try past tense.
Okay.
The boy kicked the ball.
The ball was kicked by the boy.
Perfect. She wrote a letter.
A letter was written by her.
Good. They built a house.
A house was built by them.
Excellent.
I like this now.
Wait, we will go deeper.
Oh no.
Do not worry, you are doing great.
Okay, continue.
Present continuous tense.
That is harder.
The girl is writing a letter.
A letter is being written by the girl.
Perfect. They are cleaning the room.
The room is being cleaned by them.
Good.
I remembered being.
Yes, that is important.
What about past continuous?
The boy was eating an apple.
An apple was being eaten by the boy.
Very good.
This is actually fun.
Now, perfect tense.
Okay.
She has completed the work.
The work has been completed by her.
Good.
They had finished the task. The task had been finished by them.
They had finished the task.
The task had been finished by them.
Excellent.
I feel smart now.
You are learning well.
More practice, please.
Yes. Now mixed practice.
Okay.
The chef cooks food.
Food is cooked by the chef.
The chef cooked food.
Food was cooked by the chef.
The chef is cooking food.
Food is being cooked by the chef.
The chef has cooked food.
Food has been cooked by the chef.
Perfect.
This pattern is clear now.
Good.
Ask harder ones.
The police arrested the thief.
The thief was arrested by the police.
The company launched a product.
A product was launched by the company.
The teacher will check the homework.
The homework will be checked by the teacher.
Very good.
I want to try without thinking too much.
Good idea.
Give quick sentences.
The boy drinks milk.
Milk is drunk by the boy.
The girl sings a song.
A song is sung by the girl.
The dog bites the man.
The man is bitten by the dog.
The man repaired the car.
The car was repaired by the man.
The workers are building a bridge.
A bridge is being built by the workers.
The students have solved the problem.
The problem has been solved by the students.
Amazing.
I'm getting fast.
Yes, that is improvement.
Now I want to ask something.
Go ahead.
Can every sentence become passive?
No,
Why?
because some sentences have no object.
Example,
She sleeps.
no object.
Yes, so no passive form.
Another,
He runs.
same problem.
Correct.
Okay.
Now questions.
Oh, yes.
Did she write a letter?
Was a letter written by her?
Good. Is he eating an apple?
Is an apple being eaten by him?
Perfect.
I like question forms.
Now negative sentences.
Oh, yes.
The boy does not eat apples.
Apples are not eaten by the boy.
Good. She did not complete the work.
The work was not completed by her.
Excellent.
This is clear now.
Let us do long sentences.
Okay, I'm ready.
The teacher explained the lesson to the students.
The lesson was explained to the students by the teacher.
Good. The manager approved the plan yesterday.
The plan was approved by the manager yesterday.
Perfect.
Give me more.
The scientist discovered a new element.
A new element was discovered by the scientist.
The team won the match.
The match was won by the team.
The mother prepared dinner.
Dinner was prepared by the mother.
Very good.
I want more difficult ones.
Okay. The government has announced new rules.
New rules have been announced by the government.
The students were reading the book.
The book was being read by the students.
The company will release a new phone.
A new phone will be released by the company.
Perfect.
I am confident now.
Let us do fast round.
Yes.
He writes poems.
Poems are written by him.
She paints pictures.
Pictures are painted by her.
They watch movies.
Movies are watched by them.
He cleaned the room.
The room was cleaned by him.
She is making tea.
Tea is being made by her.
They have built a house.
A house has been built by them.
Excellent.
I think I understand everything now.
That is great.
Thank you for teaching me in such a simple way.
You are welcome.
We should study like this more often.
Yes, learning together makes it easier.
Next time, we will do another topic.
Sure,
But today was really helpful.
I'm glad.
I will practice more at home.
That is important.
Okay, one last sentence.
Go ahead.
The teacher will give homework.
Homework will be given by the teacher.
Yes, I got it right.
Yes, you did.
This feels good.
You worked hard.
Thank you again.
Anytime.